away, but some ghosts never fade with the gray. Empty streets and broken signs, still holding on through changing time. Let the rain come down on me, wash these memories clean and free. Even if the walls don't stand, hope still grows in this Georgia land. Every storm will pass somehow. The sky remembers us right now. The courthouse clock still marks the day, while thunder carries names away. We learn to run, we learn to stay. Found a little light through the gray. Not every battle leaves a scar. Sometimes rain